What's good? My name is Tish Collins, and I pray that life is being kind to y'all. If this is your first time coming across my channel, welcome. If you come in bike, I appreciate you so much. I have locks. In the back of my scalp is my problem area. The problem is the back of my scalp will start itching and then it will leave scabs. Luckily for me, I found a remedy to my problem. So that's what this video is going to be. I'm going to go through, I'm going to clean up my scalp because I do not want the scabs getting locked into my locks. I do not want it staying in my hair. I'm going to show y'all the product that I use that literally ceases this problem. Now, I do not have this problem on a regular. This is the first time that it's happened in about a month and a half, 2 months. So it happens like every so often. But when I first got my locks, it was a huge problem for me, and I was actually going to take my locks out because of it. But then I found a product that worked for me. So yeah, let's jump into that. And also, since I'm here, I just want to tell y'all that I only wear ponytails if I gotta go get a haircut because I got an undercut and my barber needs to be able to see what he is cutting. So if you see me with a ponytail, it's probably only been up for an hour or so and then I take it down. That's literally the only time you'll see me with a ponytail because I do not want my locks pulling. I don't want my edges thinning. I don't want none of that. Alright, so first I like to go through and put my hair in a loose ponytail just so that I can see the area that I'm working with at the bike. Alright, so now this is how I do this part because I need to see the back of my head. So you can use a mirror if you have a mirror. However, I don't have a mirror. So I am mirroring my phone right now. So whatever y'all see is what I'm finna see. Alright, so I just take, girl, where's the mirror? Right there. Alright, so I take the joint and as y'all can see, I'm looking directly at myself in my iPad, right? Alright, hold on. The light probably finna get dark, but it's because I need to be able to see in my iPad. And right now, I can't really see a thing because it's making my scalp look a lot lighter than it is. So let's see if that's better. Oh, no, man, this row right here look good. So my problem area is usually off up in here and off up in here. But usually because it's the scab, it usually falls in these locks. So I try to make sure that ain't nothing in these locks right here. So now I'm just going to go to the next row. Alright, so as y'all can see, y'all see that right there? That's what I'm going in and what I'm getting out of my locks. Alright, so these little pieces of scab right here is what I'm going and I'm getting out. And it's probably going to be a lot, but usually, depending on how bad it's itching, that's how I know how bad the problem is. Let me see. Because sometimes this light be playing, and I can't really see for real. So I'll be having to look in the mirror, like right here. Alright, can I see this one in the mirror, bro? I know the lighting is just going crazy, right? Because I'm trying to see y'all, but I'm also trying to make sure y'all see too. But if for whatever reason I'm struggling to get it with my iPad, then I try to go to the mirror if I can go to the mirror because it's a lot easier for me in the mirror. So do y'all see how this right here is in my locks? This is why I am trying to get it out. Because I don't, when my loctician go to retwist, I do not want that in my locks. And then this is why I gotta be careful when I'm taking them out because it's literally in my strands. And this is also why I try to hurry up and attack the problem as soon as I feel my scalp itching because the quicker I put the product on my scalp, it won't scab up like this and I won't have to go through and do it. However, I gotta be honest to tell you, I've been down bad for the last few weeks. So this is like the first time I'm like in the mood to actually fix this problem. But yeah. So needless to say, this is a process. I'm finna finish doing this part and then I'll be back. If y'all look at my scalp right here, Y'all see how it's more so like white and scabby, but then if you look at my scalp over here, it's literally clean. Also, if you're like me and you have this problem, make sure you do this. If you choose to do this, I know a lot of people probably just be like, forget it, let it stay in there, and they just get it locked. But if you have this problem like me, make sure you do this step before you do your moisture routine. It's a lot easier to get the scab out while it's dry versus when it's wet. I know I probably shouldn't need to say that, but there it is anyway. Now what I'm doing is, because I know where my scalp issue is, y'all see how when I go through there and y'all see how it's just falling? So then after I do this, I'm gonna have to go bite through and get all that out. Alright, so I done cleaned this up the best that I could because I done been at this for a little while and I'm a little tired. Alright, so as y'all can see here is where a lot of that white scalp was. I went through and I kind of cleaned it up. This is what I mean by I did the best I could because I just know I ain't gonna be able to get it all, bro. However, it was not as bad as it was. This is the product that I use on my scalp. So now what I'm finna do is I'm finna go through and only, listen to me close, only on the areas and the parts of the scalp that is the problem is where we're going to put this right here. We are not putting it anywhere else. Only on the problem area. Now, I'm telling you, but you do what you want to do. I got to be honest and tell y'all that this got the old people smell to it that I do not like. And if you use too much of it, you're going to be walking around here smelling like a mothball. I just take a little bit, nothing too crazy. Just that amount right there. That's it. That's all I need. Alright, and then I'm going to go, let me see. Straight to my problem area right here. As y'all can see, my scalp a little red too. Or maybe y'all can't see, but I can see it's a little red. Alright, we're going to put it directly on the scalp. Alright, that's it. That's the only places that I put this. Y'all remember if I told you that if you do the scalp thing, then make sure your hair is dry, your locks is dry, you have not done your daily routine. So I did my daily routine already today. So I'm gonna just let my locks be. However, this is when you would spray your water, put your oil or whatever. Now, if it is a day where you oil your scalp, do not put the oil where you just put the sulfur 8. It's medication basically for your scalp. You put that on there so that it could fix the problem that you're having. So if you have to do your moisturizer routine after you do the sulfur 8, then moisturize like you normally would, and then oil like you normally would. Just do not put no oil on the sulfur 8. Alright. Now I'm gonna show y'all the close up of my scalp up here so that y'all can see that it's like nothing like how the back is. Like, you could literally see my scalp is clean. It ain't no white stuff. It ain't no nothing going on up here. Like, everything straight up and through here. In the middle, up in here, straight. Scalp, good to go. Don't be giving me no problems. I don't know why it's just the back of my head be tripping out like this. Alright, y'all, that's how I fix my problem. This is my remedy for the problem. I don't recommend no products to nobody, so you do what you do at your own will, at your own risk. However, when this issue arises for me, I run and I grab myself for 8 and it literally ceases. So when y'all see me with barrel twist or whatever lock style I got, I'm able to keep them up for 30 days because the second my scalp start itching, I put this on it immediately and I don't have no issues. Let me stop rambling because I'm ready to hop up in the shower. So I appreciate y'all for watching that video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to get back to you. I pray that today and life is being kind to y'all. And if it isn't, I pray that tomorrow and every day after will be. You can connect with me on all social media platforms at I am Tish Collins. Like, share, comment, all of that good stuff. And until next time, I'll talk it over with y'all later.